Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with What You Got. Today we are gonna do Spanish tortilla. That's all I had. We had eggs, we had potatoes, we had some lemons, garlic. I like lemon zest on my tortilla. It gives another flavor and it's refreshing. So take a look at it. You're gonna get 3 potatoes, any kind of potatoes you have, it doesn't matter. This is how you're gonna slice the potatoes for the tortilla española. And you're gonna make a cut very thin. You're gonna grab it, make a cut very thin. You don't want it too thick. And this is how it's gonna be. Okay, about this slice. And then you're gonna put them, once you cut all of them, probably about 3 potatoes, you're gonna put them on water. So that way you can get rid of the starch, a lot of the starch. You don't want that. Take care of the garlic cloves. There are about 8 of them. Crush them. Okay, here they are, the onions, and they're kind of translucent. And they're ready. So we're gonna strain them using a strainer like this. So we can get the onions and then use the oil for the potatoes. Okay. And we're gonna cook this in medium with more olive oil. I would say probably a cup. I'd like them to be submerged in olive oil if possible. So we're gonna cover them up on medium low. And let's set the time. Probably gonna be there for 30 minutes. Time. So here we are. We're gonna put 1 layer of potatoes, just like that. Spread it out. And this is the mixture of garlic and lemon. And we're gonna spread it out like that. Another layer of the potatoes, onions, and eggs. Another layer of this, which is the garlic and the lemon zest. This is gonna be great. There we go. Garlic and lemon zest. That's gonna taste terrific. Okay, so here we go. And now you're gonna put everything on top. Okay. And we are ready. Perfect. Oil that we have reserved. This is the olive oil. We're gonna take this much. And then we're gonna put it on top. Just like that. Perfect. There we go. We're gonna cover that up. And that's it. Medium low. And let's put time. Let's put 25 minutes starting now. Great. Okay. It's time for us to transfer this to the plate. There you go. Perfect. So here it is. Isn't that wonderful? Let's cut it. Let's have a little piece. Nice. Look at that. It's like cake. Okay, so here it is. Take a look at it. Still hot, steaming hot. But let's see how it tastes. So tender and it's delicious. Very moist, very tender, fantastic flavor, fantastic aroma. Take care, guys. Hope you guys had a great time enjoying my recipe of Spanish tortilla. Ciao, take care, be safe.